Good morning students. Today we will study division by one digit number. Division by one digit number. Yesterday we discussed division by without remainder in one digit number. Today we study division by with remainder, that is 375 divided by 4. Okay. First we divide this number 375 divided by 4. Here ones, tens, 100. We start with the 100 place. Here first we look 4 is greater, 3 is greater, 4 is greater. We take these two numbers together. Then table of 4, how many times come in 37? How many times come? 8 times. 8 4 ja 9 times. 9 4 ja 36. Then subtract this 6, take away from 7, you get 1, then 5 come in downside. Okay. Then table of 4, how many times come in 15? How many times come in? 3 times, 12. Then you subtract this 3 0. Our quotient is equal to 93. Our remainder is equal to 3. Understand it? Then next question. 4728 divided by 5. 4728 divided by 5. 4728 divided by 5. Okay. First, ones, tens, 100, 1000. We start with the 1000 place. Here 47, you take this two digit 1000 and 10, 100 place you take together. Then table of 5, how many times come in 47? How many times? 9 times, 45. Then 5 take away from 7, 7 minus 5, you get 2, then 0. Which number come in downside? 2 come in downside. Now our number is 22. Again you say the table of 5. How many times come? 4 times. How many times come? 4 times. Then 20. Again you subtract 2, 0. Then 8 come in downside. Now our number is 28. Then say the table of 5. How many times? 5 times. 25. Then subtract this 3. 0. Then quotient is equal to 945. Remainder is equal to 3. Okay. Next question. 5026 divided by 5. Listen, 5026 divided by 5. Again you divide this 5026 divided by 5. First you look here, the table of 5, how many times come in 5? How many times? 1 time. 5. Then 0. Next, which number come in downside? 0 come in downside. How many times gone? 0 times. 0 here, then 0, Which digit coming downside? 2 is coming downside. Then how many times again go? 0 times. Then again 2, then 6 coming downside. Now our number is 26. How many times gone? 5 times, then 25, then quotient is equal to 1005, remainder is equal to 1. Now divide by 2 digit number. Divide by 2 digit number. In previous class we already learned about divide by 10. We divide by 10. How many digit you remove? 1 digit you remove from the right hand side of the number. Here look here, 7355 divide by 10. First we divide this number, okay? Now, table of 10, how many times go in 73? How many times? 7 times 70, then subtract this. 0 take away from 3, how you get 3, 0, then 5 come. How many times gone? 3 times 30, then subtract 5, then 5 come here. How many times? 5 times, then 50, then 5. Then quotient is equal to 735. Then remainder is equal to 5. This question we do in short method. We do in short method. 7355 divided by 10. We divide by 10. We remove 1 digit from the right hand side of the number. 1 digit remove from the right hand side of the number. Here which digit we remove? This 5 we remove. These are our quotient. The removed digit is our remainder. Then quotient is equal to 735. Remainder is equal to 5. Understand you? Again one more question. (432) divided by 12. 432 divided by 12. First we divide 432 divided by 12. You say the table of 12. 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48. 48 is not here. We take 3 times 36. Then subtract. 6 take away from 3. This is possible? No. This is not possible. We borrow from the next digit. Okay. This cut 3. This cut 13. Now 6 take away from 13. You get 7. Then here 0. Then which digit come in downside? 2 come in downside. Okay. Here table of 12. How many times gone in 72? How many times? 6 time gone in 72. Here quotient is equal to 36, remainder is equal to 0. Understand you? One more question, listen. 4755 divided by 15. Okay. 4755 divided by 15. First you divide. Here, the table of 15, how many times gone? 3 times 45. Then 205 come in downside. Now our number is 25. Table of 15, how many times come? 1 times. 15, then we 0, 1. Then this number come in downside. Our number is 105. Okay. Now the table of 15, how many times come in 105? How many times? 7 times. Then 0, 0. Our answer is quotient is equal to 317. Remainder is equal to 0. We divide by 2 digit. Divide by 2 digit number without remainder. Understand you? You do these questions in question 1 A to F, question 2 A to E of exercise 5.5 in notebook. Okay, thank you.